Hello student, welcome to this new video lecture related to indirect speech. Here in this video we shall discuss about how to change the sentences related to present continuous tense into indirect sentences. So we shall discuss about the sentences related to present continuous tense, affirmative, negative, interrogative, yes or no type, and interrogative WS type. And then we will change to indirect narration. So let's continue. Present continuous tense. I would like to tell you about basic changes. What are the basic changes? No use of comma, inverted comma. If reporting verb is in past tense, then present continuous will change into past continuous tense. Along with for interrogative, we use yes or no type. If or whether, WS type, the same question word will be used as conjunction. So let's continue with examples. Example number 1, that is related to affirmative. She said to Hari, comma, inverted comma. She said to Hari, I am going to market now. She said to Hari, I am going to market now. You can notice here, I am going. Am going is MR plus ing, present continuous tense. So how are we going to change it? Indirect. She said to will change into told. She told Hari. Then for affirmative sentences we use conjunction that. She told Hari that I. Who is I here? She. She told Hari I am going. So she is that she. Am going, present continuous will change into past continuous. She was going to market. Now will change into then. Market then. So this is going to be the correct transformation into indirect narration. Now next one, that is second one, negative. Sana said to Kareem. Sana said to Kareem, you are not attending classes. You are not attending classes. Are not attending. Are not attending, present continuous. Negative. Now we will change it into past continuous tense. Sana told Kareem. Sana told Kareem. And then conjunction, that is that. For whom you is used? You is used for Kareem. Sana told Kareem that he was not attending classes. Sana told Kareem that he was not attending classes. So affirmative and then negative. Now interrogative yes or no type. That is third. The teacher said to Rahul, the teacher said to Rahul, are you writing your homework? Question mark. Present continuous. Are you writing your homework? So, indirect narration for this sentence. For changing into indirect, such sentences when there is said to, we change it into inquired of or asked. The teacher asked. The teacher asked whom? Rahul. The teacher asked Rahul. For yes or no type we use if or whether. Whether Rahul whether he was writing his homework. The sentence that was earlier interrogative. Now we have changed it into affirmative. He was writing his homework. Now the fourth one, that is WS type. So what is WS type? The commander said to the soldier. The commander said to the soldier, comma, inverted comma, why are you waiting here? The commander said to the soldier, why are you waiting here? Why are you? Interrogative, WS type, present continuous tense. The commander asked. The commander asked the soldier. Same question word will be used as conjunction. So, why? No use of if or whether or that. Same question word will be used as conjunction. Why? And remaining portion will be changed into affirmative. So affirmative first. What do we use? First we use subject for affirmative. Why? Then subject. Are you? For whom? For soldier. Why? He. Why? He. Then present continuous will change into past continuous with he was. While he was. While he was waiting. Here will change into the words which show nearness are changed into farness, showing the words far. So we change the words from nearness to far. He was waiting. Here will change into there. So once again a recapitulation. She said to Hari, I am going to market. Present continuous tense. Said to Hari. Reporting verb is in past tense. So the tense of reported speech, this is known as reported speech, will change into past continuous tense. She told Hari that she was going to market. Now will change into the nearness far. Sana said to Kareem, you are not attending classes. Negative. Same. Sana told Kareem that he was not attending classes. The teacher said to Rahul, are you writing your homework? The teacher asked Rahul whether he was writing his homework. And now the next one. The commander said to the soldier, why are you waiting here? The commander asked the soldier. Asked the soldier why he was waiting. Here will change into there. I hope you understood the concept of indirect narration that we have just discussed related to present continuous tense. Present continuous tense will change into past continuous tense if a reporting verb is given in past tense. I hope this is clear to you. Thank you very much.